Gonna be like, Danielle, who do you think you are? And I'm gonna have to tell them I'm Danielle. I'm Danielle. Just a small disclaimer before someone get inside of my comments and try to point this out. Yes, my nails are jacked up, but I'm pretty, and this is just a prime example of me trying to get my videos done, because I will have 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and my nails is not going to stop me. So before you try to jump in my comments, go ahead and play with your weak behind mama and your bald head grandma. Thank you. Hi you guys, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Monique, and what's up my dozens of roses? If you're new here, please do not leave without subscribing and liking my ish. So as you guys can see by today's title, I'm going to be showing you guys my luxury belts that I got to go with my luxury purse. Listen, if you have not seen my video on my luxury purses, please stop what you're doing right now and go watch that video. Go ahead, what you doing? Go ahead and yeah, subscribe too, because these belts go with these purses and they match up. I have not worn none of these belts except my Chanel belt, and they go perfect. Like, okay, so I'm not gonna hold y'all boys no longer, so let's get started. What should we get started with? I'm gonna start off with the Chanel belt since I already wore that. So it comes like this in this cute little box. Okay, it comes with its own dust bag here, which of course is already out, and the Chanel card. They also sent some, I guess you can make the holes in your belt if need be. That's what that is. My little piece of paper. Okay. So here is my Chanel belt. It is black, it is sleek, it is perfect. Okay, and this is my Chanel buckle. Look how cute this is. All of my belt buckles are gold because I am a gold girl. I'm not a silver girl. I do want to start getting into silver, but whatever, that's a whole nother story. But here's the buckle. On this side, I hope you guys can see it because it's kind of bright. There's a CC right there, and on this belt, in all these little pockets, there's CCs. So it is so cute and so pretty. Now the thing I love about all of these belts, I think all of them have it. They have this here on it, so it can pull tight. And so when you buckle it up, you put it through here, of course, like you know, a normal belt, and then it'll be as tight as it can be. So here's the belt. So that is my Chanel belt. Next up, we are going to go with the Louis Vuitton. So with this one here, you just put it down like so, and it's in its dust bag, and it's like this. I put it back in the dust bag because I just did after I finished looking at it. Now this belt, I love this belt, y'all. I did not expect for this belt to be as cute as it is. I didn't even know. Now if you guys don't know, I love red roses. That's why you guys are my dozens of roses. And my favorite color is red and pink. So this little surprise with this belt, oh my god, I was just smiling like that's it. Like I can't wait to put this belt on. Like it has to go with the perfect outfit. So let's start off by showing you guys the actual belt. So here's the belt with the pattern of the Louis Vuitton, and it is like this. So I like my little belt buckle. But the thing that got me was this. I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So extra. It's just red scrap, but it's my favorite color. So I just, oh my god, like I just see myself putting this on. And this one actually doesn't have the loop like the other one. That's why I did look like that, because I knew one of them didn't. You just pull it to this last one and it fits so perfect. Like I can't, what should I wear this with? Y'all comment down below, what should I wear this with? So that is the Louis Vuitton belt. It is so pretty and I cannot wait to put this belt on. I'm gonna put it back in the dust bag because I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Y'all, the baby money bag yo and Bootsy is coming to my city. Yes, pretty soon. So I might have to pull this one out. Yeah. Okay. So this is the Gucci belt that I purchased for myself. I love their whole color scheme that they have going on. This is so beautiful. I hope you guys can see those patterns on it. It is so beautiful to me. So I have this one in a dust bag because I worn it and I just put it back in the dust bag just because I was putting it back up, and these little tags and all that came with it. But let's take it out of this dust bag here. And as you guys know, my favorite color is red, so, and my Gucci purse is actually red, so that's why this scrap is red. So let's get into it. Here's the scrap. And like I said, it has the little puller right here to make it more tighter, which is wonderful for me. And here is my Gucci buckle. Yeah, so this one is, you know, more simple, more plain. You know, you always see the girls with the black Gucci belts, but I wanted a red one because I got a red Gucci purse. So that's why I chose the red one instead, and this one fits very good as well. So on this Gucci belt, it has this little plastic here. I hope you guys can see that because I know the light be bright sometimes. So, but this little plastic here to make sure that your belt buckle is not coming loose. I like that. Like I really like that about that belt. And you guys probably can't see that right in, but it says Gucci there. And I'm quite sure the Chanel one said that as well. But these are my belts and I love them, and they go perfect with the actual purses that I chose to go with them. Like they're gonna be like, Danielle, who do you think you are? And I'm gonna have to tell them I'm Danielle. I'm Danielle. So yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed my video. Please do not leave it without subscribing and liking my ish, and I will see you later, my dozens of roses. Peace.